then we hit enter. So you can see we are on the users directory or the users folder. So let's try using the dir command again, which I said is used to view the content of a folder, a directory, or a partition. So let's type dir, enter. Then you can see the command line is telling us that this users folder contains subfolder called Frimpong-Henrik and another subfolder called public. So let's see on the graphic user interface. As you can see, it's the same here. Okay, so on the command line, let's use the cd again, which I said is used to select something. So let's say we want to select the Frimpong-Henrik directory or the Frimpong-Henrik folder. So we type cd, we leave space, and then we type Frimpong-Henrik. So cd Frimpong-Henrik, we hit enter, and then it takes us to the folder called Frimpong-Henrik. So now you can see as we began, we were on the partition C, folder called users, and then a subfolder called Frimpong-Henrik. So it has taken us back, it has taken us forward rather. Yeah. So let's move on to the next command, which is the md command. Yeah, the md command is used to create a directory rather. Sorry, it's used to create a directory or a folder. And so let's try the md on the command line. So right now we are in the folder called Frimpong-Henrik. So we are come to create a folder in the Frimpong-Henrik. This is the Frimpong-Henrik. So we are come to create a folder in the Frimpong-Henrik called, let's say, pt. We come to create a folder in the Frimpong-Henrik called pt. So on the command line, we type md space and then pt. And I want you to take note of something here. You can see the list of folders, subfolders in this Frimpong-Henrik folder. There's no folder like pt inside. So on hitting enter, we expect a subfolder called pt by magic, which is not magic. Okay, so let's hit enter. So you can see this is the pt. The command line has created the folder for us. So you can see you can use the command line to create folders. So it's cool, isn't it? Alright, so that's the use of the md command. Let's move on to the next command, which is the ren command, or rename. It's used to rename a folder or a directory. So let's say we want to rename this pt to, let's say, ab, from pt to ab. So using the rename or the ren command, you type ren and then the original name, which is the pt, you leave space, and then you type the new name, that's ab. So this is how to use the ren command. You type ren pt, which is the original name of this folder, and then the new name, that's the ab. So after hitting enter, we expect this pt folder to change to ab. So let's see, we hit enter, then you can see it has changed to ab. So that's the use of the ren command. Okay, let's rename it again and see. So let's change it from ab to, so now the original name has changed from pt to ab. So space to, let's say, ba, and then we hit enter. Then you can see it has changed from ab to ba. So that's the use of the ren command. And finally, we have the rd command, which is the command used to delete a directory or a folder. So let's say we want to delete this ba folder or this ba directory. So on the command line, we type rd space and then ba. So after hitting enter, we expect this ba to vanish, yeah, from the Frimpong-Henrik folder. So let's hit enter, and then you can see the ba is gone. So that's the end of this lesson 1. Watch out for the lesson 2. In the lesson 2, we are going to dip a little bit deeper. Then we are going to learn something about like formatting your disks, creating files, launching things like the Mozilla, launching things like the Notepad with the command line. You can use the command line to start your Notepad.